Okay, now we're going to show you how to calibrate the WTS-1500. That's the Headhunter tank Sentry system that controls the pumps for the black water tank and the treatment system. Okay, so what we're going to start by doing is setting the 0%. So what we're going to do is go to the sender for the holding tank and disconnect the tube. This will simulate 0 tank for us. Okay, down this hatch is our holding tank.
Yeah, a little flathead.
And right here is the sender. Your flathead?
Yeah, to take that seal off.
Okay. It's actually a quick connect fitting. It has a lock on it. Okay, there, the tube is disconnected out of the sender. So now we can calibrate 0. So here we go back to the panel. We go to the back of the screen. Turn the light on. We have 2 trim pots for calibration. The bottom one, the bottom screw, is to set the 0. The top screw is to set the 100%. So we're going to adjust the bottom. So put our small flathead in here right now. And we'll start turning the screwdriver counterclockwise until we get a reading of 10%. So here I go. I'm turning counterclockwise. Turning. Oh, there I go. There's 10%. The light just came on. So now I stop. I reverse directions till the light goes out. There, the light goes out. And now I just go ahead and I give it an extra quarter turn in that direction just to make sure the light stays out. So there. I just set the 0. The 0 has been set. Now we're going to set the 100%. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the tank. We're going to use this calibration kit right here to simulate 100%. So for this tank is 16 inches deep. So what Gus is going to do, he's going to plug in the tube into the sensor. Okay, there. Tube's plugged in. Pressed in firmly all the way. Yep. Now, we're going to come here and we're going to pump and adjust this knob here. We've already adjusted it, but you would have to adjust it. Make sure it reads 16 inches. See, it's reading 16 inches. We set it at 16 inches because 16 inches of fluid is how much this tank would have in it when it's at 100%. So that's our 100. Let's go make sure the screen is set to 100. Okay, here we are at our screen. See, our screen should be reading 100, but it's only reading 90. That means it's not calibrated. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set the 100%. So I go in the back, put my screwdriver inside my trim pot, the upper trim pot, the top screw. The top screw sets the 100.
Got it.
I put it in, so now I'm going to turn clockwise. Turning the screw clockwise till the light just touches 100. Up. Turn the alarm off. Sorry. So I'm turning the screw just till it touches 100%. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to give it an extra quarter turn in that same direction just to make sure we have a good solid 100% reading. So there we go, that's adjusted. Okay, I just set the 0 and now I just set the 100%. So this screen is fully calibrated now. So now all we have to do is plug the tube from the holding tank back into the sender, press the reset button on the sender, and we should have a proper reading. Okay. Okay, you just disconnected the tubing from the kit, calibration kit. You plug the tubing back in from the tank, press the reset button right there. Now we hear the sender is buzzing. It's got a little air pump. The air pump runs for 30 seconds and then it'll get its reading back. We'll be able to see what's in the tank. So now let's come back over to the display. There we go, 20%. An accurate reading of 20%. And that's how you calibrate the Headhunter WTS-1500.